Hello guys, let's get started with today's video on installation of Oracle Database 21c on Docker container. So in this video, we will see how to create Oracle image and container out of it. First of all, let's get the Oracle Docker image from Github repository. So I will give the link to the Github repository in the description box. So make sure you check those links. All right. So if you go to the Docker Hub, github.com/Oracle Docker image, so you will get to this link. So go to the code and you can download, or you can also clone the repository by using the URL. All right, so download is going on. So go to your downloaded file and unzip it so you can extract it. All right, it looks like our extraction has completed. Okay, go to the folder inside the Docker image main. So you could find Oracle database. So copy this. So inside Oracle database, you can see there is a rack and single instance database. Copy this file and paste it on your any location, on your preferred location. So for me, I have created one directory, my Docker under C drive. Okay, I will paste it over here. Now in the next step, we will be doing we will download the Oracle binary file, Oracle installer file from the Oracle site. So go to the link. I will give the link in the description box. So make sure you check those. So to download the Oracle binary file, you need to have your Oracle account. You can create those accounts for free. Okay. So you need to download the Oracle DB Home. So in this tutorial, I'm using Oracle DB Home, not a enterprise edition. All right. Once installer binary is downloaded, copy those binary to Oracle Docker file, Docker image file. Okay, go to the Oracle database. So we are doing the single instance installation. Go to Docker file. Go to database 21.3. So you paste the binary file over here. All right, in the next step, we will build the Docker file. So here is the Docker build command, Docker build -t Oracle database 21.3. Okay, so first of all, we need to change the directory to your Docker file directory. All right, so simply change directory. Now it's time to run the build Docker command. So run this command. So build process will take a couple of minutes, so you can wait. It seems like the building process has successfully finished. You can see the message over here. It has successfully finished. So the next step is to configure, to check, verify if Docker has been successfully built or not by using a Docker image command. Here you can see repository Oracle database tag as 21.3.0.ee enterprise edition image ID, and it is created 2 minutes ago. Also, you can check the size is 7.93 GB. All right. So the next step will be creating and configuring the Oracle database. So for this, we will create one Docker compose.yml file under mydb. So now create the directory as mydb. So under mydb, we will create an empty text file and name as dockercompose.yml. Okay, rename the file to YML and click on yes. You can open the file in any text editor. We will write some YML script. So for this, you can see image. We'll give the image Oracle Database 21.0 EE Enterprise Edition, and container name as mydb. Your host name, in my case, I'm giving as mydb.com. I like domain name is docker.com. For Oracle SID is mycdb, container database name Oracle PDB, pluggable database as mypdb, and Oracle password as my always favorite, the simple one for testing purpose only. Alright, for Oracle character set is AL32 UTF-8. Alright, Oracle standard time zone as Japan, since I am in Japan, so give your own time zone. So for I am doing as port mapping is 1521, the Oracle standard port, and 5500. Alright, so set TTY as true. So for extra host, so give your own PC host name and IP address. Alright, so set the privilege as true. So you save this file and run this Docker Compose file. Alright, so run docker -compose up and then -d. Okay, so this will configure your database. So you can see networking mydb -default is created and container mydb is started. So the DB configuration is being started. You can check the DB status by using a docker logs your DB name. Alright, so in my case it's docker logs mydb. So here you can see the listener is getting started and preparation for DB operation is going on. So it's 8% complete as of now. So it's copying database file. Check the DB creation progress by running docker logs your DB name. Right, so once it is completed, so you will get the message like DB database is ready to use. So all the configuration will be completely done. Right, here you can see we have got the message that database is ready to use. Okay, so all this configuration is completed. So you can check the DB status like listener status by using a command listener status. So here you can see services are up and running. My CDB, you can also see my PDB, they are all up and running. Now the next step, we will log into the database by my PDB user as sys user. Okay, we will log into the SQL Plus as sys user, give your password and your DB name. Okay, as sysdb, here we can see Oracle Database 21c. We are connected to the Oracle Database 21c Enterprise Edition Release 21. Okay, so this is the end of the video. So make sure you guys subscribe my channel. There will be lot more content in the upcoming days. So till then, take care and bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.